This is exercise 10.4, okay? And in exercise 10.4, what we're dealing with is subsets. Now, subsets are set within sets. In every element of set B, there is also an element of a set A. Then B is said to be a subset of A. This is written as B is a subset of A. So, an example, okay? B is the following numbers. B is 2, 4, and 6. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. B is a set of even numbers between 1 and 6. A is a set of all numbers between 1 and 6. Now, upon completion of this, what you can look at is something like this, that you have a list of A and a list of B. Now look what happens here. B is much smaller, isn't it? So B, we're just going to make B a bit smaller, okay? Now look what happens with B. We can fit 2, 4, and 6. A is going to be 1, 3, and 5. And look, to complete A, what can we do?
You have to add B.
You don't have to add B, alright? So for example, this is set A, and you have to put points here because they're individual marks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's A completed now, isn't it? Now look what I could do. Technically, I can fit all of B into A, can't I? And does it change anything? A still has everything it wants, and inside B is everything it wants. If it fits into it, it's a subset. I remember this because of a fried egg. That's how I remember. Fried egg is a subset. Everything in the yolk is in the egg. Okay? So, can somebody else give me another answer here? Another example of a subset. Give me something. Give me a list for A and a list for B. Actually, C and D will do. Give me a list of letters or numbers, whatever you want.
G-A-R.
What did you say?
G-A-R and C.
G-A-R? G-A-R. Let's do Gar. Okay? And give me another name for D, which is a longer name of
G-O-M-A. Garrett.
Garrett. G-A-R-E-T-H. Okay? Now look at this, guys. Okay? C is what letters? G, A, and R. And then this one here is going to be, I'm just going to put G, A, and R in the middle again. A, and R. That's E, T, H. That's everything, is it? Yeah. Now look at this, guys. Basically, is C a subset of D?
Yes.
Is it? Why?
Because it shares the same letters.
It shares the same letters, and you just fit it in there. And because everything that's in C is also in D. Now, there's some other things you need to know, okay? The other things you need to know is every set is a subset of itself. What does that mean? Every set is a subset of itself. It will fit into itself. So, for example, if C is represented by G-A-R, G, A, and R, another set C, which is G, A, and R, that one will also fit into D. It fits into itself because they have everything in common. Now the next thing is the null set. The null set is a subset of every other set. Now guess what this means? What's in the null set?
Nothing.
Nothing. So look at this. Okay? Here's a set of Garrett again. G-A-R-E-T-H. Okay? Now, the null set is basically a set that has absolutely nothing in it. And the null set will fit into anything. It fits in there, doesn't it? Because it has nothing there. It will fit into any other set because there doesn't need to be anything in it. That's what it means. Null set is a subset of every other set. Now, see this elongated C? that means it is a subset, and see the elongated C with the slash through it means not a subset. State whether each of the following is true or false. B is a subset of A. Everything that's in B is also in A. 4, 5, 6, 7? True. Part 2. E is a subset of B. False, because B doesn't have the number A. Let's skip a few. Let's go for this one here, number 5. F is not a subset of B. Everything in F will not fit into B. False, because it does. Okay, false. And finally, we'll try this one here, number 10. F is a subset of B, and B is a subset of A. Is F a subset of B? True. And is B a subset of A? True. So the whole thing is true. If it was false and true, it'd be false, because overall it's false. Okay, moving on. C is A, B, C, D. Lists all the subsets of C that contain exactly 3 elements. What? Give me an example of a subset of this. A, B, C. Give me another one.
D.
Let's go A, B, D. What about the next one? Let's go in order. A, C, B. Oh wait, A, C, B is the same thing as? What? A, C, D. Shh. Okay, and the other ones? B, C, D. And the other ones? What about B, A, D? We already have it, do we? We do? Okay, what about C? C, D. We already have it. So there has to be?
All the values have to be in 2.
You could do the null set if you want. That's a good answer. But it has to contain 3 elements though. Null set contains nothing. So if that's our answer, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, C, D, and B, C, D. Is that alright? Okay guys.